Let's talk about the latest launch Samsung smartphone Galaxy A36 5G, slimmer design with a stylish twist. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with Super AMOLED display, with 6.7 inches Full HD, plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, 86.5% screen-to-body ratio, 19.5:9. Aspect ratio, 385 ppi pixel density, 1900 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear, that includes 50 megapixel wide-angle main camera, with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide angle camera with aperture 2.2, and 5 megapixel macro camera with aperture 2.4. For selfies it has 12 megapixel centered punch hole wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.2, video recording. Maximum 4K at 30 FPS on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of One UI 7 screen on top the device. And the company provides up to 6 generations OS upgrades and up to 6 years of security updates. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.4 GHz quad-core Cortex A78 plus 1.8 GHz. Quad-core Cortex A55, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3, 4nm chipset, paired with Adreno 710 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6GB, 8GB, 12GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 128GB, 256GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.9 by 78.2 by 7.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 195 grams, and the color options, awesome black, awesome white, awesome lime, awesome lavender colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt wired fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C audio jack, with stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, IP67 dust and water resistant, and with NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Samsung Galaxy A36 5G has been priced for 8GB. Plus 128GB storage variant at 32,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage variant at 32,999 Indian rupees, while the 12GB plus 256GB storage variant at 35,999 Indian rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Samsung Galaxy A36 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.